Uh-oh.
We found the second box.
Look.
Go ahead and open it.
Hello Kitty. Look at that.
Who's that?
Okay, my sensical lesson.
Yeah.
You want to try it on?
Yeah.
Oh, just wait. Mama's got to open those.
Savannah, here we go. That is adorable. Yeah? Let's see what's in these. I'll find it.
They're tape shut. You need to cut them open.
I'm trying to find the beginning of it.
Honey. Scissors.
Look what's in.
Those Hello Kitty gloves?
Yeah.
David, can you turn that down, honey? Whoa! Can't do that. Uh-oh, here we go. Look at that.
That's David's ornament.
David!
That's my ear.
Yeah, it's later.
Vader! No, it goes on the tree. Here we go.
Who's that,
Who's
Savannah?
that?
Tinkerbell.
Good
that
girl.
Tinkerbell?
A tree.
Yeah.
Go tree.
Yeah, it goes on the tree.
You want to put it on the tree?
You want to put it on the tree?
Yeah.
Let me get the tag off of it. Here. Go put that on the tree. Go put that one on the tree. Go on, go put it on the tree.
You don't call me. Okay.
Put it on the tree.
Oh
You want to put that one too?
Trying to get off it.
You need to get your gloves off so you can put them on the tree, honey.
Okay.
So still fighter ice cream. Sorry.
Uh-oh. Put it on the light.
Tinkerbell on the tree. You gonna put Mater on there too?
You need to put some... Uh-oh.
Oh wow.
Hey, Savannah. Put them on the branches. Here, put one on here.
Look. Look, Sissy. Look.
See?
Look. Here you go.
Hey. Okay. Let's put another one. Let's put Mater right there.
Oh wow.
Alright. You got Mater on the tree?
Yay! That's it.
Oh.
That's it.